In this video, I'm going to show you how you can earn money just by using Google and doing a couple of clicks. This is not something magical, but this is something that if you decide to go ahead and take action, it can change your life forever. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo. Welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently and I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial, and don't worry, it's not going to be full of steps in which I'm going to show you how you can earn money just by using Google. There is no investment required. There is no technical knowledge required, but you need to have time and you need to take action. Just by watching this video, nothing is going to change. And something really important, guys, is that at the end of the video, I'm going to have a bonus, which is going to be my number one way if you're interested in making money online, but that's going to be at the end of the video. But now let me show you everything so you can have full details. Okay, first of all, we are going to go to this website that it's called Mangles. Okay, you're going to go to mangles.com. Okay, here on mangles.com, what they're going to be doing, first of all, is they are hiring. We are not going to go with that. Okay, this is an SEO tool. What does SEO means? It's search engine optimization. So that means that if you put a word, which is called keyword, okay, you are going to find a couple of websites on Google. Okay, one is going to be at the top, or another is going to be at the bottom, but everybody wants to be at the top. So that's what SEOs do. They have been online since 2014. So they have been around for a while. You don't need to click here where it says start a 10 days free trial. Don't worry, you don't need to put anything, no credit card, nothing. Remember, this is 100% free. Okay, but I'm letting you know what these tools do because it's actually really important for you guys to have an idea, to understand why it's so important and why there are people out there willing to pay. How much they are willing to pay? Well, first of all, some features about Mangles is easy to use. Okay, the best value for their money, some testimonials here. They have some training materials, and they are people who are willing to, to do an investment here with Mangles, and they are willing to pay $49 per month, $69 per month. As you can see, this is the best value, $129 per month, and they even have their yearly prices. Okay, if you go here where it says annual, you're going to see that they do have prices, okay, with discounts. Like people are going to be paying 358, almost $1,000, with several features. But we are not going to be doing this. What we're going to be doing is that we're going to be scrolling down and we're going to click here where it says affiliate program. Okay, you're understanding so far, and let me do a quick recap. Why we are promoting Mangles is because there is a lot of people out there who are looking, to make money or actually get better results because their websites are going to be ranking high. Also, they have this, okay, they do have a 10-day free trial, so there is no risk on their end. They can test it today, and if they decide to keep it, they can continue using it. So it's a win-win situation. Hey, this is a tool that's going to help me. I can test it for free without credit card. Okay, and if I decide to go ahead, okay, I can stay. So you're going to click here where it says affiliate program, and you're going to see Mangles is willing to pay you 30% lifetime commission. Okay, so what does that mean? That you are going to have one customer, okay, they're going to pay you 30% of the multiplies. Then on the next one, you're going to have another customer. So now they're going to be 2, 3, 4, and years to come. Remember, they have been around since 2014. So this is a legit business and they're willing to pay you. Okay. So to give you an idea, Okay, if someone goes with the $49 plan, you're going to be earning 1470. Remember, lifetime. If someone goes with the monthly agency plan, they're going to be paying $129. Okay, and you are going to be earning 3870. Okay, if someone goes with the annual plan, okay, and this is the agency plan, they're going to pay 958.80, and you're going to get $287 with 64 cents. Okay, so remember, this is lifetime commission. Okay, and this is just an example of the fact that you can earn $600 per month. This is 100% passive income. This is something that I really like. Okay, what you're going to be doing is I'm going to show you the steps. You're going to be registering for free. You're going to be promoting and you're going to be earning. And one cool thing about Mangles is that they are paying you guys via PayPal. Okay, so they're paying you via PayPal. Okay, so now what you're going to be doing, you're going to click here where it says register now. Okay, you're going to click here where it says register now. You're going to land on this page. It's going to be asking you, okay, what's your email address? What's your password? Confirm your password. And how do you hear about Mangles? Well, you can let them know like it was watching the YouTube video. That's 100% optional. You're going to do the captcha. I'm not a robot, and click here where it says create my Mangles account. Okay, once you log in into your Mangles account, by the way, guys, use separate email address just to make sure that you know that all the information that you're gonna get there is not on your personal email address. This is just my advice. Okay. Also, please let me know in the comment area where you're from, because I want to make sure that I'm going to be creating content that is helpful for you guys. Okay. And if you're enjoying this content so far, give me a thumbs up. That's going to be helping me. It's going to be helping my video. It's going to be helping my channel. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. Okay. Click here where it says affiliate. Then you're going to click here where it says promo material. Okay. Just in case that you're confused where it said, okay, here is its affiliate and here is promo material. Why are we doing this? Because we want our link, which is this one. Okay. This is our link. And you're going to click here where it says copy. Okay. You're going to click here where it says copy, and you're going to copy it, and you're going to use a website that is 100% free as well, which is called Bitly. Bitly. Okay, you're going to go to bitly.com and you're going to create an account, which is a 100% free account. As you can see, I'm using here. Okay, and you're going to create a link. Okay, you're going to create it, you're going to paste it. Okay, and you're going to click here where it says create. I prefer to have an account because I can go ahead and edit it. If you do not create an account, which is not mandatory, you can not do that. So now what we're going to be doing, we are going to go to Google. Okay. We are going to go to Google, and in my case, I'm going to be searching for the term dentist. Okay. Why? Because you need to think, okay, which are the people out there, in this case, businesses, who are looking to rank in Google? Well, it can be restaurants, it can be dentists, it can be doctors, it can be veterinarians, okay, it can be accountants. There's a lot of people, basically everybody who have an online business want to be on the top of Google. And you can be as specific as you want. For example, here I have, okay, um, here I have Dentist California. Okay, here I have Dentist California. And as you can see here, we have people who are willing to pay for this term. Okay, here we have an ad. You can see here an ad. Here we have another ad, and other ad. So if people are willing to invest money on this term, people are willing to go ahead and invest money on Mangles, because with that says, this is going to be way cheaper than paying for Google traffic. Okay. So who is going to need this? Basically everybody except this person. Okay, everybody except this person, because this person right now it's number one. Okay, so everybody here, it's gonna need it. My suggestion is to go first with the ones who are already paying. Okay, the ads. These are right now at the very top. As you can see here, it says ad. And also they are at the bottom. So you can see we have 1, 2, 3 here. Why we're going with them? Because they are already willing to invest. Okay, if you click on them, you are going to notice that they have a way in which we can get in touch with them. These guys have a live support, and also they have a contact us area. Um, I unfortunately cannot provide you in script, because if I do it, everybody's going to do it. But my suggestion is go with this. Do a little script telling them like, hey, I noticed that you're running ads. Okay, notice that you're running ads on Google. Okay, here we have the ads again. Here we have. Okay, I noticed that you're running ads in Google. Okay, I'm not sure how much money, or if you're interested in saving money by ranking first on Google, consider using this tool. Okay, provide your link and let them know that the tool is 100% free. Well, not 100%, caveat. Okay, it has a free trial. It has a 10-day free trial. There is no credit card required, so they can start, ranking on the top positions on Google. They're going to join, they're going to use it. They understand. Okay, they understand. Also let them know like there is a free learning material. Okay, so there is guides, the SEOpedia, the blogs, and let them know that they are not going to be alone. This tool has their knowledge base, and they also have support via chat. Okay, so as you can see, this is a win-win situation. You're going to earn 30%. They're going to stick because they need this tool. They're already paying for something. They're looking to save money. They're looking to rank on top of Google. Okay, and remember that Mangolds is willing to pay you 30% lifetime. Okay, if you get 1, 2, 3 customers per, you know, per month, that's going to be a huge amount of money. Also, you can start reaching agencies, because you notice that they do have an agency plan. Okay, you can also go with agencies. Okay, so guys, there are several ways in which you can make money online. If you want to discover what's my number one recommendations to make money online, so you can make money while you travel, you can make money while you sleep, I'm going to leave a link below with my number one recommendation. Okay, consider clicking it. You have nothing to lose, and trust me, you have a lot of wins. Okay, so this is it for this video. Keep watching the next video. If you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area, and I'll be more than happy to answer them. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.